Wagwan, hope everyone is doing fine, washing your hands and being smart with what's going on lately in the world. So new Crown King of Dancehall VYBZ KARTEL took to an Instagram to honor Bounce Killer in this way. I wonder if people really appreciate how great this man really is. It's just a pity dancehall doesn't have a well-organized and streamlined industry that would have all the to truly celebrate the greatness of dancehall gods. Pun intended. Bounty Killer never started dancehall, but his impact on the genre is ubiquitous and universal. If dancehall's creator was Newton, Bounty Killer is Einstein, or upgrade it and in some instance redefine it or change it altogether. Just check the amount of youth Killer helped realizing potential. Both artist, producer, promoter, plus the joy we bring to the fans and the raw truth we talk. I love the general like a father. As a father and a mentor, a teacher and a provider who offered me the great escape from poverty, and be able to take care of my family and my kids, live a more comfortable life than I had growing up. Bless up my general and him tag Bounty Killer in it, #alliance, #warlord, what that? And some other hashtag. And then Bounty Killer had seen this, and Bounty Killer replied to it, writing, "Wow, what a momentum of acknowledgement, the highest and richest compliment Black Power if a warlord did rule the world. You know, rest son, but it was one of the greatest thing I did when I shared the platform with you through the biggest introduction to the business to date. And I was even so amazed a few days ago when I heard at Bujibantan official said you are indeed the man. Respect to him to acknowledge that at just looking back at 1999, about 21 years ago, that time only, me and your butler could see this day coming. Life is the greatest master. Just like most of the greats, is after we are long gone, they're gonna realize the difference we have made. Even we're gonna live forever. Love you, son." So yeah, VYBZ KARTEL. But VYBZ KARTEL always acknowledge Bounty Killer, but you know, sometimes when in your feelings, you kinda, them look away, but it was really, really nice of him. And it's a compliment well deserved. And even Popcorn reposts it. And I think Tyros and a few other people. So big up to Bounty Killer indeed. Well deserved.